number line. So this is one slide, guys, all of you have to pay a lot of attention to. Okay, I'm going to go very slowly and you guys are going to understand the concept. It is simple but requires good imagination. Okay, let's start, guys. Everyone ready? Everyone clear with the riddle? Okay, guys, so it says number. It is as simple as that. That means there are two things. We have something called numbers and we have something called a line. Now, I am going to combine the two of them. That is this. This is a line. Say this is 0. Now, I'm going to put numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So guys, anything to the right side of 0 is always positive. And guys, anything to the left side of 0 is always negative. Am I clear till here, guys? Yes. Good. So now, 1 is nothing else but we have numbers over here. Is -1, -2, -3, minus. What did we see? We saw a line and we put numbers on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Anything to the right side of 0 was positive and anything to the left side of 0 was negative. Everything is clear till here. Now, our entire topic simply revolves around this one figure, this one thing that I have drawn. And it is all just based on how well you imagine it. Now, what else do we need to understand over here? Let's see. When we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, guys, there is this word called jump. That is what we are going to do in this chapter. In the concept of number line, we are going to jump. When I say jump, say we have Pragya or we have Neha who is standing here. And I say, Neha, start jumping in one step. So she's going to come here, then she's going to go to 2, then she's going to go to 3, then she's going to go to 4, then she's going to go to 5. And she's finally going to be at 5 when she takes 5 jumps. Now, if I say, Ryan, take 2 jumps. So you're going to go to 2. Then you're again going to take 2 jumps and go to 4. Then you're going to go to the next number called 6. Is this concept clear, guys? Is the concept of jumping clear? Let's see how we can make math really, really simple. When I'm talking about the number line, you're going to think about jumping. Yes, it is interesting. It is going to be interesting. If it's boring, there's no point learning. It has to be interesting. So now, because Pragya or Neha or Ryan were going to the right, everything was positive. Now, if I say, Anjali, I want you to jump left. Jump 1 step to the left. Jump 1 more step to the left. Jump 1 more step to the left. Left, left. She jumps 5 steps to the left and she's at -5 because anything to the left side is always negative. Is this clear, guys? Is it clear, guys? Now, what did we do here when we were at 0? I told you start taking 1 step and move to the right. What we were doing? +1, +1, +1, +1, right? What did we do? We were adding, right? This is how your addition that you have been doing on paper has come. What do? You directly do 5 plus 10 equal to 15. But this is not the actual story about it. The actual story is the number line. From 5, someone jumped 10 places, so they reached 15. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Does it make sense how your addition, your subtraction came into picture? It was not born out of nowhere. There was jumping involved. You jumped. That is how you were able to add and subtract. Now, you guys pretty much know how to add, subtract, and multiply. But the reason why I'm explaining the number line is because I have framed some questions for you which require some kind of a thought process. It requires you to think. Now, if I say that Anjali is over here and she started jumping 5 places to the left, that means she reached -5. That means this is the concept of subtraction, guys. Is it clear? Yes. Now, one last thing before I move on to something else. Whenever I draw a number line, say I start with 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That means, you see these gaps, people? Students, do you see these gaps between each number? All these gaps are equal in a number line. If I plot it like this, okay? That means the gap value is 1. But say I change the number line a little and say that this is 0, this is 2, this is 4, this is 6, and this is 8. Now guys, what is the gap value now? Is it still 1? No, the gap value becomes 2. Is it clear, guys? Is the idea of gaps clear? It is not always 1. But one thing is for sure, that they are equal. Is it clear, guys? All the gaps are equal.